How to open snaps on Snapchat Web 2023. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and open your preferred browser and search for Snapchat Web. Open the first link there on this web page and now your Snapchat Web is opened. You can easily create new chat here and look into your profile and make changes to your profile. However, if you tap on any of the snap, you won't be able to open the snap as Snapchat has not introduced this feature yet. Nevertheless, you can easily get access to all your chats and the pictures saved in the chat. Stay tuned with us so that you can get updates as soon as Snapchat introduces new Snapchat Web feature. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.